Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Emily and I am a teacher and Teachers Pay Teachers seller. I teach in Ohio and I teach elementary music. One of the things that I have done recently that has literally just like blown my kids' mind is my game Among Us for the classroom. I'm going to talk you through the instructions right now, and then if you want to buy the resources that go with it, that's below, but you don't need them. So let me tell you how it goes. Okay, so when the kids come in, you're gonna show them that around the room you're gonna have hung signs. You can make them by hand if you don't want to buy them, or you can get them as part of my resource. Mine are security, engines, navigation, admin, and medbay. Okay, so those are posted all around my classroom. Then each of the kids gets a role. So it could be crewmate or imposter. I like to play with one imposter, but you can play with as many as you want. Then I'm going to tell the kids, okay, welcome to class. You can see that we're going to play Among Us today, then they'll go crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting, because you know how kids feel about Among Us. Then you're going to tell them that each person gets a role card. Go ahead and give them that. Then what I've done for tasks, now you can skip tasks, you don't need to do them, but I've been doing tasks, it's been really fun. I make it a Google Slides presentation, which again, you can get by buying the resources linked below. You can make one of your own, where each of the slides links them to a different online game that they play as a task. And so the slides say, click here to go to med bay and do your task. And they click there, and then they go, when they walk over to the med bay area, they click on that and they do their task. I can show you right here what those look like. So those are some of the tasks. Now I just use the tasks as fun things to engage the kids, but you could totally link up content right here where so my husband's math teacher, when he plays this game with his kids, he says, when you go to med bay, I want you to do 5 of the problems on this worksheet, and when you go back to there, same thing. Just do however many problems before you rotate. Okay, so then I tell the kids that they've got their card, they're gonna know what they are. When the music starts and I play, actually I can link my playlist down below that I play while they play this game, and they love it, so that'll be in the links. Start the music, and I tell the kids, if you're the imposter, you can kill somebody by winking at them, or you can come up behind them and you can squeeze the back of their elbow just really lightly. And if that happens to you, you have 10 seconds to walk away from the imposter, now that you know who it is, and die. And you don't have to use the word die with your kids if they're too young, but die. And then lay down on the ground quietly. Don't draw attention to yourself. Then the other players of the game will walk around, and when they see a dead body, they say dead body reported or emergency meeting or whatever you want to call it. They come together, and then there's kind of a deliberation. We're like, I think it's this person, I think it's that person. They talk, we vote somebody out. When someone's voted out, they stand up and they show their card. If it's a crewmate, that person joins the dead body, and we kind of build an audience over there, and we continue to play until we finally figure out who the imposter is. All along the way, as they're waiting to get killed from the imposter, they're doing the tasks at the different places and just kind of rotating around the room, waiting to see when the imposter is going to strike. At that point, the kids, for me, are doing fun activities. For my husband, they're doing curriculum. If you want to get my particular activities, they're in the slide that's linked below. But this is so easy for you to make for yourself, or even just to set up worksheets that the kids work on each area. So make it just for fun and do social emotional learning if you want, or make it curriculum. Either way, the kids are going to lose their minds for this game. It makes the kids just kind of bring their home life and their school life together. Plus, it builds those relationships between you and the kids that really matter because it makes you relevant to them. So I hope that you guys will try this. The Among Us game has, I don't want to say revolutionized my classroom, but it would kind of be true. The kids are so into it, they're so excited, and I think your kids would love it too. If you try this out, please let me know. If you have suggestions or questions, also let me know. You can find all my links down below, and I would love it if this was interesting to you, if you would share it with someone else that you think would enjoy this Among Us game for the classroom. Have fun, guys, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.